everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, hang on, I can't hear any music. Okay, now I can hear stuff. Today I'm going to be doing some upgrades on my car because I have a lot of views on my other video, but I only have 4 likes. And I think I got 1 subscriber from that video. So if you could subscribe, that would be absolutely great. And if you hear purring, that's because my cat is by me. Would you like to say anything? I don't think she wants to say anything except purring. Her name is Baby Kitty. Her official name is. Well, she's not like my own cat, but she is like, she's a ninny, okay? AKA a kitty. Am I right, Baby Kitty? Do you have anything to say? I'm gonna try to make you hear the purrs. Baby Kitty, purr, purr. I think you can maybe hear it. No, Baby Kitty, she left. But she's still in my room. So, that's fine. Like I was saying, I'm going to do some upgrades on my car. So, I'm just going to get into build mode. I think my cat wants out of my room, actually. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. She's standing by the door. Well, sitting by the door. Baby, here you go. Do you want to go? Yeah, she wants to go. Bye, baby. Plus, she was messing with my toys, what I've been playing with. They're like little animals that give birth. But it's fun. They're really cute. I have a bunny and another bunny. Like, I have a bunny family, another bunny family. I have a guinea pig family, I think. And my guinea pigs are in my room, so they did hear that. And I have a duck family. And yeah, that's it. But I do have a kangaroo family somewhere, but I can't find it. I was thinking, like, though, making a rug somewhere, because, like, some cars have, like, little rugs. Like, my car has, like, a little thingy-majig on, like, both sides, except they don't look like this. They're, like, black and stuff. And they're more like square, but it's fine. I might not have rugs actually, because I have an idea. So like, I'm gonna put these more in the front, and then I'm gonna scoot these more closer. And then I could put shelves. Where are the shelves? Is there a shelf-like closet anywhere? No. I mean, kind of. Yes, they can fit behind. I got this from my Tokaboka YouTuber though, except I don't think she made a video of this, like making her car, but she did make a car. But I can't remember her name, but I am sorry if you're watching this. You're probably not, but like, there's a chance. Hi, there's a chance. And then like, I want to put like some toys on my shelf or something. Cause like, what if my kids get bored and they didn't bring anything or something? Wait, the trunk. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. The iPad is what I'm playing on, and it is kind of going crazy. Okay, what could I use for the trunk? I feel like this would be a good trunk. Maybe if I move the chair a bit, like this. Yeah, it's a cramped car, but it's fine. It's fine, okay? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, it's fine. And willy is fine. And then I'm gonna add like like a little light. You know those like lights in the car, what parents don't want you to turn on? Well, my parents are fine with it. It's just some people's parents don't want it. Well, they're little, kind of like this, except they're like all the way at the ceiling. But I'm just gonna add these to kind of be like it. I'm gonna turn them on though, so it's easier to see and stuff. Hang on. Gotta be even. So it's probably closer. And then up. There we go. Now I want to put some stuff on the shelves. Maybe like some candles or something like that. I don't know though. Let's see. Let's see. Can't really find anything to put on the shelves. I wish I had like souvenirs. I mean, I do have like a little statue, but I think it's for free, like this. It's kind of strange, but it's kind of cute. Kinda. I'll put him up there. And then there is also this statue, what I really like, and also this statue, what I really like. There's not really any more statues, though. Let's see here. I might put this right there. I really like it. It's just so cute and it's beautiful. Okay, it's beautiful. Then I might put this because it's cute and I like the egg guy. I keep forgetting his name. Dudecama? What? I forgot his name. I'm gonna put this as well because I like that. And then I kind of want to put some things in the trunk. Like, is there any movable chairs or something? I mean, not these. Right, they're movable. Yeah, and they can maybe go in there. Nope, they can't. Throw that away. Cause like, what if they need to go somewhere? Please. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have 12 of them, cause I have 12 family members. Well, not for the baby, so that means 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 11. 11. 11. 11. 11. 11. Me. Wait, I'm gonna move this chair really quick. No. Peace. No. Peace. Move this, and then I can have like a little extra place. Can I fit another one? I can. Can I fit another one? No, I can't. I need as much room as I can have, okay? So, 11. Oh, yeah. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let me just put all of those in there. And then close that up. And then I'm gonna move the seat back where it was, except maybe like this. Just like that. Let me fix these chairs. And then actually I might add a rug. Sometimes I just feel like I need a rug to just complete it. I feel like the heart rug would be nice. Yeah, I like that. It's a fancy car, okay? You can't judge me, okay? You can't. You can't. You just can't. I was thinking maybe like throwing, well, I like the things on my shelf, but I was thinking like I could put, no, not that, where is it in, what is it in, what is it in, what is it, I can't click, okay, can't remember what this is. It is fine. That plush. I couldn't place it down anyways. But I think I need like a radio or something like that. But first, I need like a shelf thing. Cause like I can't drive without a shelf thing. Majig. No, peas. With P's and me's. This is hard. Okay, maybe not for the passenger seat. No. Okay. Then is there any like round thingy majig? Like round for the steering wheel. Round. Well, it's not big enough though, too. But it is round. I really like this, but I'm not gonna put it down, but I really like it. I don't know why something like that would be in a cleaning, but there would be a chance, okay? There would be a chance. Well, I can't find any round things, but that's okay. And, we can have a radio. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Maybe this one. I like how it looks. Oh. It plays this music. Can I change it? Thankfully, I can change it. I'm gonna also put this one just for more music. Oh my gosh, that's loud, but it's fine. It's fine. And that's probably gonna be it for today. Sorry guys that it was so short and stuff. Wait, maybe I could like, well, no, yeah, I can't. Well, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great and wonderful day. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.